Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to replace the turn signal light bulb, the front ones on a Fiat 500. Okay, we're talking about this one right here and the one on this side right here. That's your turn signal. So you can see it's the orange bulb right there, and what you need to do, and you have a light bulb as well, and the orange one is for the turn signal. What you need to do, you need to turn the tire all the way to the right, and okay, when you turn it to the right you have access to here, and now you have one lid, one cap, so you need to press in and pull like that, and when you pull, that whole thing comes out. As you can see, you just press like that and pull it out. Okay, now right there inside there is one cap, and you need to turn to the left counterclockwise, pull the cap out, and that's where the light bulb is located. And now the bottom one is the one that you need. So what you need, turn to the left counterclockwise again, and this is the light bulb itself. And now in order to remove it, you just pull it out, and this is the bulb if you need to replace it. Okay, right here, it's hard to show you. It's made by Toshiba, and it's E1 V12U right here. It's 12 volt 21 watts. Okay, and then you just get the new one and you install it, you push it in again, it doesn't matter which side, like that, until it clicks, and then you just go ahead, get in the grooves again there. It goes only in a specific way, and then turn to the right this way. And now you need to install that cap on. Don't forget the cap. Okay, like that. It goes again in a specific spot. Okay, just like that. Okay, and this cap right here, as you can see, one needs to go this underneath and the other one on top. So you need to get it in there in a right way, otherwise you will lose it, and you just press it until it clicks. So that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.